Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through the second term portion paper for UKG or senior KG. Okay, in English oral there will be phonic sound 3-letter words, and the words are bat, cap, jar, ten, pen, net, ink, lip, sit, dot, toy, boy, bun, mug, hug. Children have already learned 3-letter words of A, E, I, O, U sound in the first term. Therefore, these words will remain in their practice. The next is opposite words, and the words are fat, thin, day, night, open, close, in, out, tall, short, wet, dry, full, empty, up, down, hot, cold, far, near. We have already learned these opposites in our first term, so keep it in your practice. Now, English written. In this, we will learn word families. We will blend these word families with letter and make a new word. For example, ma, a, d, mad, d, a, d, dad, s, a, d, sad. Okay, next is uses of this and that, uses of a and an, uses of he and she, uses of one and many. We also learn rhyming words, and the words are hot, not, kit, fit, pick, sick, box, fox, man, can, ball, tall, lid, kid, bag, tag. The next is maths oral. We have already learned numbers 1 to 50 in first term. Now we will learn and practice numbers 51 to 100. We also see some concepts, for example, near and far, heavy and light, up and down. And we will also practice these shapes: triangle, circle, square, cylinder, cone and rectangle. In tables, there will be table of 1, 2 and 10. See my videos to practice the tables. In maths written, there will be numbers 1 to 100 in writing. Okay. We will also practice the following with bigger numbers: count and write, count and match, draw objects for the given numbers. Next is before, after and between. In this, we will learn what comes before the number and what comes after the number and what will be in between the numbers. Okay. The next is addition and subtraction. In addition, we have already learned its concepts, and now we will learn and practice further. Subtraction will be new for us to learn. There will be tables of 1, 2 and 10 to write and practice. We have already number names 1 to 50 in the first term, and in the second term we will learn and write number names 51 to 100. There will also be shapes in written. In EVS oral, we will practice the following chapters of your book. The chapters are colors, festivals, days of the week, months of the year, seasons, different season and different needs, animals, home of animals, pet animals, water animals, our national flag. In poetry, I have chosen 5 poems, and these are Three Blind Mice, Wee Willie Winkie, After a Bath, Snowman, Months. Conversation. The topic is my home, my mother, or my school. And in the story, you have to learn the story of the hare and the tortoise and Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.